Look at this beautiful Honda Accord. Now the customer came in with this one because there's an issue. The base keeps cutting off. How many times have we gone through this, people? Why is it always gonna be Honda Accords? But this one, now, this one looks really good. I mean, the custom looks amazing. The work looks fabulous, but somebody fell off and can't figure out why the base is cutting off. So I guess even if they're very good, they look good, right? They look good. Look at this thing. Even if it looks good, it's still probably not executed correctly because there's not many technicians nowadays, I guess. But we're about to go through this bad boy and see what we can do to fix it. Stick with me. I'm gonna find out. We're gonna find out. Ooh. That is not our work, by the way. But I do give it props because it's nice work. Boom! Check it out. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna give this car a Big 3 upgrade. That's the first thing we're gonna do to see if we can help contain the voltage. Second thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take that shit apart and we're gonna try to find out where the grounds are leaking or loose or whatever. Hopefully it's not another bad fuse holder like last time. Right, Cocho?
You're right.
What's the plan? Big 3?
Big 3 power to the... ¿Cómo se llama? ¿Alternador en inglés?
Alternator.
Dale.
Big 3 and power upgrade to the alternator. What a good idea. Okay, we'll let Coach work. I'll put him on the time lapse and let's go. All right, guys, we got the Honda. It's already Big 3 accomplished. So look at this. Nice 0 gauge from the ground to the battery. He also upgraded the wires from the alternator. So we got bigger alternator wire. And what else, Cocho? Oh, right here. So they grounded the block or the alternator?
That one is ground.
For what?
That one is for the frame.
For the frame,
For the chassis.
body, frame, alternator,
Engine.
and engine. So we got our 3 here. There's 1, 2, 3. Big 3, baby. La grandote 3. 1, 2, 3. So engine block, or yeah, engine block, Cocho, or engine block, chassis,
Frame. Yeah.
or frame, and body. Big 3, baby. Boom. Okay. So they were able to keep the base running a little bit longer with that Big 3 upgrade. Helped out. And right now he's gonna be doing the back. So we're gonna ground that chassis and make it hit más chingo. Go ahead.
I lost the inspiration, Anthony.
All right, tell me about this Honda that we've been fixing. You know, like I'll tell you what I believe. I can't believe somebody with that much skill, with that much creativity.
Skill to do stuff like that, it doesn't mean it has knowledge or experience. And I think in this kind of case, it was more experience than skills on how to run wires or how to connect the wires or how to make it pretty.
Yeah. Because I mean, from what the customer told us, we don't know the other guy's side, right? We don't know the other guy's story.
Well, there's always two stories.
But from what the customer said, he said it never worked from day one. That he got upset because it wasn't hitting that hard. The guy left everything really low so it doesn't shut off. And the customer was not happy. So he was like, you know, I don't like it. And the guy got upset because he did a lot of work and he didn't like it. So that's what happened. And we come here, we find out the voltage issue, we fix that, and then it still started cutting off.
But not as bad.
But not as bad, yeah. It was staying on a lot longer. And then you find out that we had to take out the baby tech and bring in the big tech. And then we found out, you know, what it was.
Yeah.
But would you say, when you found out what it was, would you say, you know, it takes someone more experienced than like Junior? I know Junior didn't really test it that much. He just tested the first 2 days, and then he, you know, you took longer.
It was not an easy.
Do you think
it wasn't
like
easy to catch the problem?
No, because even that guy didn't catch it. This guy who worked on this vehicle, the original guy.
Yeah, it was not an easy. I mean, it's an easy thing, but it wasn't easy to find the problem.
Yeah.
And you also told me that whoever did the system recommended the battery. That was a wrong thing. I would have recommended an alternator before the battery.
Yeah.
Because the alternator is what makes the power, not the battery. The battery is just a storage. So you have more time to play if you put a battery, but at some point the voltage from the second battery is gonna drop and you're gonna start having problems again.
Ooh.
So it's always better to do an alternator before you do a second battery. And to do a second battery, you also want an alternator first, because it's more stress for one regular or factory alternator to charge 2 batteries than one.
And also, it didn't help that the amplifiers have something called Apex, which allows it shuts down half the power, you know?
Yeah, these amplifiers, I think, already removed the Apex function.
Cool.
Yeah. Well, another thing that it's nice, it's pretty, but I just don't like the bass. It's not an accurate bass. It makes a lot of noise, but it's not an accurate bass. So I just played with 2 songs and I didn't like it. I don't know. I have to play it, you know, with better quality to see if I like it. But how it is right now, I don't like the quality of the sound.
What?
It is loud.
Yeah. And if you guys are wondering again, this is what it looks like. Very pretty, a very good execution, but I didn't show you guys what's behind this panel though.
It's pretty, but for me, putting a bunch of tape, that is not pretty. That's kind of sloppy.
Oh yeah, I should have been.
For us to check the problem with all that tape was the hard part.
Take it apart.
Take it apart because so much tape and you don't know where that wire goes or nothing.
Okay.
So,
all right, people. So there goes the show. It goes to show that, you know, it goes to show. Come to Audio System. We'll fix everybody's shit. That's what it goes to show, right?
Hey, well, we all get those little. We're not all perfect.
Yeah. In my world, we are. Just kidding. Good, huh? Now they'll cut off. It's great. There you go. You can turn it off now. It's gonna finish. At least you can say you got a system working now. Oh yeah, man. The guy told him, I feel bad for you, bro. You're gonna break your window. It's gonna be so much bass. Your roof's gonna wave. You're gonna break your window probably, bro. And he let him take it, cutting out. All right, that is the end of the Honda repair. I know we've been doing a lot of Hondas lately. I don't know what's up with that, but you know what? The next video I'm gonna be posting is the Lightning, but keep the lookout for that. And a couple things I wanna explain to you, maybe so I can clear it up. The problem with the Honda was actually a relay that the guy used to use all the devices. He had it on a relay as well. So that relay had a small little skip, a little pause, but because there's so much bass, you heard the pause. And that was causing it to cut out. So little thing like that if you're not a trained technician, you'll never find out. Took a lot of hours to find that little problem, and it just was a relay. Ended up swapping the relay, no more problems. Jack also did the tune. Thanks, Jack, for hooking us up with the tune, and the customer's happy. We're all good now. And sorry about the audio in the last port. I didn't have the camera. We used the GoPro. So yeah, peace out. Thanks for coming. Comment, like, and subscribe because it does help. I appreciate it. More videos to come. Stick with us, guys. Happy New Year's 2021. I hope you don't mess up like 2020 did. Bye.